How's it going, everyone? Vlad here, and welcome back to, once again, a brief tutorial. An engineer at a customer site has reached out to me because they are supporting a system that has a MicroLogix 1100 series PLC, and as always, Rockwell has changed the location of the software. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you where the new software downloads are residing for that specific model of RSLogix 500, for that specific model of a PLC. If you're looking for something different, you will require a license even on the RSLogix 500 series. That being said, I'm going to show you the files. The installation is pretty much the same as many other videos, but this is how you can download and obtain the free version of RSLogix 500, which is commonly used on the MicroLogix 1100 series of PLCs. The first step is to navigate to Rockwell Download Center, where we can find a variety of different tools and files to download. I'm going to search that in Google on any browser that you feel comfortable with. We're going to navigate to the official Rockwell website. Here inside of the search bar, I'm going to start typing in RSLogix. It is very important not to select RSLogix 500, in which case you will be prompted for a license. In this case, we are looking for the RSLogix starter, so I'm going to type that in, and you'll notice that we have two options. I'm going to select the one in English. Of course, there's going to be different languages available, which will display the main version, but also available downloads and add to download cart. We need to navigate to available downloads because this will allow us to expand what it is that we're actually trying to find. And you will notice that there's going to be multiple different versions of the RSLogix 500 series, but they're also listed under the MicroLogix 1100 style PLC. The alternative way is to find this as the search item inside of the download center. This is where the trick comes in. You will notice that if we select the uppermost file, there's going to be no RSLogix or RSLinks or RSEmulate listed. What we need to navigate to is version 11.000, and just so you're familiar with the process, since these are obsolete software packages, what you will often encounter if you click on select files, you will need to request unlock. You can select my system will not support the latest version and support for existing old system, and press on unlock. You will notice that this specific version, which is 13.000, does not contain the files that we need. And so, as I have mentioned, we're going to look for this version 11.000. We're going to press on select files, and this is where we will find a couple of different things that we were looking to download. So RSLinks Classic, we are looking for RSLogix Emulate 500, and we are also looking for RSLogix Micro Starter Lite without RSLinks in English, which is that version 8.30.00, and these are going to be the three files we're looking to download. Of course, you follow the exact same step and exact same process as shown in other videos. The most important and the trickiest part here is really to locate these three files within the Rockwell Download Center. In any case, if you have any questions, if you have any thoughts or concerns with the process or otherwise in industrial automation or manufacturing, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy to help, and I will see you next time.